So hello there and welcome back to Strathpeffer Junction. We've got another short Strath Shorts video today, and I woke up today and it was a really lovely sunny morning up here in the Scottish Highlands. So I thought, right, I'll nip outside with a cup of coffee and I'll do a short video on something I wanted to do a wee while ago and enjoy Mrs. Strath's gardening. She's been hard at work all week doing some gardening, but this being the Highlands of Scotland, it went from this to this. Yeah, snowy sleet in the space of 10 minutes. So this video, which was going to be filmed outside, is actually going to be filmed inside. So without further ado, let's hop over to the kitchen table. Alrighty, so I'm sure that a number of you will have seen the videos that have been done over the last few months on the HobbyZone hobby products, sort of drawers and shelves and little cupboard accessories for any modeler's desk. Now, I did a video on them probably at the end of 2018, but I never finished editing it. And just as I was about to edit it, somebody, I can't remember whether it was Charlie or somebody anyway, produced a video on it. And then there was another one, I think, from Richard at Our Junction, and then Kathy Millett did one, and every man and their dog started doing one. So I decided I would just leave my video on them to one side and not flood the market with yet another one. However, I had done a short section on it on a little module that you can get. Well, it's not so much a module, it's really a standalone item, which is the little pot and tool stand for use on the desk. And actually, I found that remarkably useful, and I use it most days when I'm doing sort of modeling that involves glue or paint or that kind of thing. So I thought I'd do a really quick Strath Shorts video just looking at that paint stand, what it has to offer, and just a really quick sequence of how I put it together. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so that's it. Video done and dusted and over. A really short one this time. One of the little things, the little tricks I like to do with particularly these HobbyZone products, but I guess anything that you assemble using glue, is, as you probably saw in the video there, to put down a layer of cling film onto a flat surface first. So that means that you don't have to worry about the glue sticking to anything like a wooden kitchen table or anything like that. And the cling film doesn't stick to the glue, so you can easily peel it off. But having that really flat surface that nothing is going to get stuck to really helps you to align everything and make sure that joints are properly 90 degrees or anything, butt joints are flat, that kind of stuff. So a wee tip there, I use cling film all the time when I'm assembling these wee things. Right, so that's another video. As I say, short one this time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. Hit the subscribe button and the wee bell so you get a notification every time I produce a video. But that's it. All that remains to be said for this one is cheerio for now. Goodbye.